I am actually collaborating with a cafe in Shibuya. To commemorate the collaboration, today I will be sharing with you guys the recipe for the weekend citron. Let's go. Add 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar. So just mix this together. Gradually adding these eggs into the mixture. 90 grams of flour, 20 grams of almond powder, 1 gram of baking powder. Mix this together. The zest from the grated lemon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this in. So we'll be baking this at 170 for 35 minutes. いただきます. It's super soft, but it's also very moist. It's very good.